How to extract or open password protected zip file. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video we will see how we can extract or open password protected zip file. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. If you want to open the password protected zip file, you can do that online. For that, open up a browser in your device. And in the search bar, type in easyzip.com, that is easyzip.com. Press enter in your keyboard. That's gonna take you to this interface. Here, select your file type. So here, click on this uncompressed drop down and click on zip file. After that, there will have an option to select your zip file. Click on it. And from your device, select your zip file, then click on open. Now, since the zip file is password protected, you have to enter the password. So enter the password, then click on set password. After that, you will see this option as save. Click on save. And then select the location where you want to save the file, then click on save. As you can see, now the file has been extracted from the zip file. So that's the way to extract the password protected zip file online. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.